No artificial color, no preservative. Anyone can have without any fear, especially for children. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to make homemade tomato ketchup or tomato sauce recipe. So without wasting time, let's see how to make it. To make tomato ketchup, we need, of course, tomatoes, ginger, beetroot, Kashmiri red chili, small onion, peppercorns and cinnamon sticks, and cloves. First, let's cut the tomatoes into small pieces. Now we will put the tomato pieces in a vessel or a kadai. Add 1 small onion pieces, add 1 inch of ginger. You can also add 4 garlic cloves if you want, 2 red chilies. Next we will add secret ingredients to get bright rich color, and that is beetroot. Add half pieces of beetroot. Next, to get market wala flavor, we will add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 5 to 6 peppercorns. Next, add salt to taste. Give it a mix. Add 1/4 cup of water. Don't add too much of water. Close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame or till tomatoes are soft, and don't forget to stir in between. Once done, turn off the flame. Now we will remove cloves and cinnamon sticks from that and let it cool down completely. Next, pour mixture in a blender and blend until fine puree. And make sure you puree the mixture very well. Now we will strain the puree in a bowl so that any small pieces will be removed and we will get smooth fine puree. Now mix is ready to be made into ketchup. Now we will cook strained tomato pulp on the gas. For that, take a pan, add tomato puree or tomato pulp into that. If required, add little salt, because already we added salt while boiling the tomatoes. Next we need to add half tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch powder, 4 tablespoon of sugar, now squeeze half lemon to eat. Keep stirring till tomato puree thickens. Boil and cook on medium to low flame for 20 to 30 minutes until you get thick sauce. As you can see your texture and the color of this sauce, and this colors because of the beetroot, so we did not added any artificial color to it. To check the sauce consistency, take a plate and tilt it, add sauce. Now you can see here it is sliding, that means it should not be like this, so we need to cook it again. Cook it for a few minutes more. Now we will check it again in same way. Now you can see here, this is the perfect consistency and our sauce is ready. If it is not sliding on a plate, that means the sauce is ready. Till that you have to cook and you have to separate the water and the tomato puree. Now our tomato sauce is ready. Once you get perfect consistency, switch off the flame. After cool down, it will be more thickens. Look at the texture and the color of the sauce. Amazing and tasty homemade tomato ketchup or tomato sauce is ready. You can enjoy with your favorite snacks. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for watching.